Chevelur, the hair loss treatment, is taking the world by storm. Downstairs, scientists applauded Dr. Robert King's research for 3 minutes, which discovered a powerful chemical that helps grow 29,000 hairs in 1 month. Renowned pharmaceutical specialists are certain that the new hair growth approach will devastate the hair growth pill, shampoo, and serum industries. An American professor's discovery of a natural biological procedure has resulted in a long-awaited breakthrough in the fight against hair loss and baldness. More than 15,000 people, regardless of the source, have been able to eliminate baldness, severe hair loss, and thinning hair in just 28 days. As a result, people have discontinued the use of medicine, hair growth shampoos, and serums, spent enormous sums of money on hair transplants, saved wigs, and waited in line for doctors to obtain aid. Even individuals who have lost hope of hair restoration can use this approach to recover 29,000 hairs in just 28 days. What makes that possible? Professor Robert King, a molecular biologist and biomedical engineer, wanted to assist a couple suffering from baldness and severe hair loss. This has sparked a revolution in the fight against baldness and hair thinning. After a year of extensive research, the professor has discovered a natural, safe, and simple way to use Chevelur, a natural super chemical. The pioneering new discovery method has been named by renowned medical publications and media, and the professor has been nominated for a Nobel Prize for his work. His treatment not only promotes hair growth and eliminates the reason, but also improves physiological health and delays aging. The secret to this procedure is a hitherto unseen mix of 15 natural herbs. Hair growth pills contain completely toxic chemicals, hair growth shampoos are a sham, and hair growth serums don't work, a waste of money. What is the basis for these accusations? Over 15,000 delighted, new natural hair growth users who have quit poisoning their hair with cheap shampoos and serums have proven this claim. That's why we chose to investigate shampoos and serums. Let's look at their disadvantages and what those who suffer from severe hair loss confront. The conclusion is that the tablets are poisonous, have a limited half-life, and destroy the body. Most anti-hair loss medications include adverse effects that, if used for an extended period of time, might harm the user's health, such as side effects of several anti-hair loss drugs for women include scalp irritation, dry skin, dermatitis, scaling of the scalp, and hair growth in adjacent places such as the face, forehead, hair, limbs, body hair, or hair that has changed color. Low blood pressure, diarrhea, headache, testicular pain, decreased sex drive, decreased sperm count, and other side effects are prevalent in men who use long-term anti-hair loss medications. Hyperkalemia can produce arrhythmia and cause gastric hemorrhage. Hair loss may recur after discontinuing the use of anti-hair loss products. Long-term usage of these medicines will cause liver and renal damage. Baldness is the primary cause of hair loss, and shampoos and serums do not address it. The discovery of hair stem cells is the key to treating all hair loss and balding problems. Shampoos and serums simply have an external effect on the hair and do not produce obvious results. When an egg is broken from the outside, it dies, but when it breaks the shell from the inside, it will live. Therefore, if you've squeezed the hair to grow from outside, the hair will be damaged and fall out a lot, but when you stimulate hair growth from inside, the hair will grow back permanently. Dr. Robert Some shampoos contain ingredients that accelerate hair loss. As a result, Professor Roberts' biomagnetism technique offers a true revolution in the treatment of baldness and hair loss. Hair development shampoos and serums only have an external effect and do not treat the core cause of baldness caused by hair stem cells. Dr. Robert, the executive director of Yale University School of Medicine, spent 8 years in the lab researching hair stem cells and their use in the Chevelur natural super chemical. According to specialists, the hair development process occurs when the body's endocrine nerves deliver signals that activate a sufficient number of hair germ cells to migrate down to the dermis to become entire hair, absorb nutrients and other components. More hair germ cells mean healthier hair growth, thicker, stronger, and shinier hair, and vice versa. If the hair germ cells are weaker or inactive, the hair growth process rapidly speeds up, resulting in hair that grows slowly, poorly, thinly, and quickly falling out. It's also the most common cause of hair loss, thinning hair, and baldness. Professor Robert King's research findings startled and impressed the entire audience. Clinical trials at the University of Pavia reveal that Chevelur's optimal blend of mulberry and keratin powder helps reduce hair loss 4 times in 1 month. After 3 months, 90% of users' hair growth has increased, 75% of customers reported an increase in hair strength, 95% of users report an increase in hair shine, aids in the maintenance of scalp moisture, suppleness, and firmness. Leading research institutes and colleges in the United States arrange news conferences to highlight 5 significant advantages of Chevelur. Hair germ cells are the seeds that influence hair loss and growth. There are different formulae for males and women, resulting in exceptional results. Chevelur has been clinically proven, and millions of people trust and utilize it. 100% natural extract, safe even for patients with heart disease, high blood pressure, or diabetes. Elizabeth Gonzalez, 57, of Pasig City, is one of the first in the Philippines to use the Chevelur. After 8 weeks, my hair feels smoother and less frizzy. Being a hair care product from the inside, Chevelur balances the neuroendocrine balance for both sexes and promotes healthy hair germ cells. As a result, hair grows stronger, faster, and longer. Everyone can now grow hair, stop baldness, and thin hair for good. Chevelur, Professor Roberts' natural method, is now available as a retail product under the same name. The product comes in 2 varieties that are ideal for both men and women. For men, black box, and for women, white box. Their usage is absolutely safe for the body, as demonstrated by FDA studies. Now everyone may grow hair, eliminate baldness, and thinning hair once and for all. These trials also suggest that Chevelur therapy is more than 99% successful. People get a fantastic effect in the fight against baldness and hair loss as a result of this. They accomplish this independently of age, gender, or the cause and timing of hair loss beginning. And that is all for today's video. Thank you for watching Momidi TV. Please hit the like button and subscribe. See you in my next video.